In this video about Angular, I want to show you that in Angular you can not only uh, use directives to change the values of HTML tags, but also you can use it to change other attributes of HTML tags. For example, in this video, I want to change some styles, or better to say, I want to control some styles of these HTML tags. Uh, in here, I added the framework by this script command, and I added ng-app in here, and I want to put some initials in here, and I want to name it col1, represent a color, and I want to make this initial a green color. Now I can put an input box, text box, and I want to connect its color to my model. So I will put background color equal to this col1 in here, and I want to make its model also this col1. Okay, and you can see that when I type this input box, it appeared here with the initial value of green, and also its background color changed to green. If I change this color, you can see that immediately uh, this change uh, happens to the input box itself. Or I can, for example, put something else like h1, and I want to use its style to change its color, and you can see that it will happen instantly. Okay, let's put a word like hello world, and you can see that it has the green color that I entered here. If I change it to red, you can see both of these two elements change. It's their colors or line, for example. So it is very easy to use the models and these expressions to modify or tune the HTML attributes. I hope you like this video and learn enough from it. I see you in the next video, and I really appreciate if you press the like button and press the subscription button. It will really help me to continue doing these trainings for you in the YouTube channel. Have fun and goodbye.